This is Nissy from Kukai Japan. Today I talk about Google Slides shortcuts in Google Workspace. I'll share shortcuts for both Windows and Mac at the same time. Basically, use Control for Windows and Command for Mac. This time, I have carefully selected the best shortcuts for you. Please try them from tomorrow. Let's dive in! Now let's look at screen. Basic shortcuts. So first, basic shortcuts is copy, cut, paste, undo, and redo. So here are some basic shortcuts for both Windows and Mac. These shortcuts also work in Microsoft Office, so be sure to remember them, alright? Ctrl-C, Ctrl-X, Ctrl-V, Ctrl-Z, Ctrl-Y. For example, when copying a shape, press Ctrl-C, then press Ctrl-V, alright? If you want to undo a change, press Ctrl-Z. To redo something you undid, press Ctrl-Y. It's useful when you undo a change but decide you actually want it back. The next is slide-related shortcuts. The action is create a new slide, duplicate the slide, insert a link, find and replace, okay? So to create a new slide, press Ctrl+M on Windows. On Mac, you also press Ctrl+M, right? Ctrl-M, M, M. If you don't use shortcuts, you can click the divider between slides and press Enter to add a new slide. Enter, Enter, okay? But using shortcut is faster since it takes only one action. Duplicate a slide, Ctrl+D. When copying a slide, normally you would press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. But with Ctrl+D, you can duplicate it in just one step, right? Ctrl+D, D, D, that's it. Next is insert a link. For example, if we want to link this shape to another spreadsheet, when clicked, press Ctrl-K to easily set up the link. Select the shape and Ctrl-K, copy link, and input link, apply. Now you can click this object and directly move to the spreadsheet. That's amazing. You can also set up links within the slide, allowing user to jump to the next slide. So Ctrl-K and next slide. So you can also set up links within this slide, allowing user to jump to the next slide. That's it. So next is find and replace. So press Ctrl+X to search for a specific keyword in the slide. For example, if you search for the word Anna, the matching words will be highlighted in the slide. Additionally, if you press Ctrl+H on Windows and in Mac Command+Shift+H, you can replace all instances of Anna with Candy at once, right? Candy. Replace all. Amazing. So next is presentation shortcuts. Start slideshow, exit slideshow, moving and arranging slides. Press Ctrl+F5 or on Mac Command+Enter, instantly start presentation mode. Ctrl+5. Now presentation mode. To exit, just press Escape. That's it. Presentation mode, Escape. That's it. The last one is when rearranging slides, press Ctrl+Alt key to easily move the slides. So pressing the up arrow moves the slide up, and pressing the down arrow moves the slide down. That's it. How was that? Today I introduced many Google Slides shortcuts. If you find new shortcuts, start using them tomorrow. It will make your slide creation much faster. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe button. See you in the next time. Bye bye!